look at this beautiful piece of luggage right here. I mean, I took it out of the box and right away, stunned by how clean, how beautiful the design is. I love the ridges on here. It is a soft shell. I mean, you could call it a soft shell, but it's extremely, extremely reinforced, especially on those corners. I can't get in there, which is a really big plus. Now, let's talk about the exterior first. You've got these feet, 4 feet right here to kind of protect that exterior and to make it easier for you to have it on that end like this. So if you are carrying it like this, there's zero issues. You do have that handle at the top, and that handle at the top is also a kind of like, I want to call it a seamless handle, because when you're not using it, it literally just flushes down, and it's a really nice kind of like addition here. You do have, let's talk about the wheels, because the wheels were something that I really kind of like caught my attention, the way they're rubberized. Yes, they're getting dirty like really quickly, especially with an animal in the house, but they're super, super durable. I find like the rubber is actually super nice. And the reason why I love that, the fact that it is rubber and it is 360, is when you are rolling it, look at this, I'm rolling it on a wooden surface. It's like rollerblades. You can't hear a thing, which I think is super cool. Now, let's talk about, look at this. I love how easy it is. It is extremely light, but there's a surprise in here as well. You do have the TSA approved locking mechanism. Obviously comes with the 000s. You literally, oh, I just changed the zeros. There you go. Boom, open it up. We're gonna see what's inside. I haven't seen anything yet. Let's open it up. I gotta go all the way around. There we go, perfect. Now let's see what we have here. Again, I think it's important to note how incredibly well packaged and how secured all of this is. It comes obviously with another suitcase in here. You've got the smaller size, so you've got the bigger size here, the smaller size in here, and super well protected, so you know they're gonna come in pristine condition. So I'm gonna put this to the side just so we can actually observe what's inside of here. Let's bring all of this out, very cool. So look how, oh, I wish you could feel this. This is almost like it's so soft. Now, obviously this is where you would be able to like compress your clothes with like that kind of like attachment right here. You attach it and you press down so your clothes are compressed down here. I love using this if you've got like a laundry bag, things like that, then you'd be able to have anything that you don't want to like, you know, go all over the place, put that in here. And then you've got the other one that I love as well. So of course, same material, very, very soft. And then you can actually close this top. And once it's closed, you do have that mesh zipper all around, not just like this way, but literally like the full zipper right here, the whole mesh, so you can actually put more stuff or easy access stuff. I like to use this if I'm staying like one last night at a hotel before heading to the airport, like that, the daily clothes right here, so it's easy for me to not to go around my whole bag. So that's a good thing to have. Before we even go to the next spot, I wanted to actually mention the handle right here. You've got obviously the setting position like this. You've got the first position here, and you've got the top position. Very, very nice. Very easy to use as well. So there you go. We're gonna put that to the side because I want to explore this one right here. It's literally so far to the eye, the exact same design, the exact same features so far that I can see when you're talking about the wheels, when you're talking about the handle, when you're talking about the way it's built. Same kind of design, of course, same super smooth and super quiet wheels, which we love. Same kind of, we've got 2 different positions as well. For this one here, you've got the same type of handle at the top. You've got the same type of handle at the side right here. And again, the flush handle, love that. The TSA lock as well, which we're gonna unlock just like that. Speaking of lock and unlocking, that zipper is satisfying. It's a really nice, sturdy zipper. You're not catching anything here. It is open and close really quickly. We have a third one. That is exciting. So I thought this was gonna be like the typical carry-on, but look at this. This is the carry-on right here. So let's put this one to the side real quick. Again, look at the packaging. You know you're getting something that's going to be in your hands in perfect condition once you open it. Same thing, same exact thing, but in the smaller version. So you've got that nice little add-on here. You've got the nice little mesh zipper around here. You've got the compressor kind of like attachments here that you can actually compress and keep your clothes in one place. But yeah, extremely nice. Again, the shell, I love that shell. It's so nice. And it comes in different colors as well, if you are wondering. We do have the white. Kind of love that. I know it's gonna be a little harder in airports to keep it white, but man, just a little bit of, we like to use those pads just to clean the scuff marks, and they come right off. And then, oh my, you should see, oh man, the way it weighs, it's nothing. It's like a feather, so nice. Still got the feet. So of course, if you're someone that likes to carry it like this, you can, and it's going to get on their feet. I like to carry it on its wheels because the wheels are fantastic. Again, TSA lock, open it up. Oh, we're gone. Are we on the 0, 0? No, I wasn't on the 0. There you go. Lock works, that's for sure. Handles and handles, like I said, you do have as well. This is important for me because look at this. When you actually have it completely open, you can actually have a backpack here, or your purse or what have you. And then the inside, the same thing as its predecessor, or the bigger boys, but in a smaller form factor. Same thing. You have the little, I mean, it's so lovely. It's beautiful, beautifully designed. Incredible value, I can tell you that right now. And again, even in the smaller one, yes, you have that, that shell that's movable, that's flexible, but the corners are so resistant, are so reinforced. I absolutely love that. So we've got the smaller one. We've got, and I'm gonna zip it just so we can actually have it. There we go. We've got the medium one. And we've got the bigger one right here. I mean, walk in an airport with all of this. How incredible is that? Beautiful. Love it.